Hello and welcome back to Dylan's RV Center, located at 2190 Delsea Drive in Sewell, New Jersey. I'm Autumn and today I'm going to show you all around a 2020 Sports Coach 366 BH. This coach is 40 feet long and can sleep up to 10 people. It has an 8,000-pound hitch and is built on a Freightliner straight rail chassis with 340 horsepower and a 6-speed Allison transmission. It has a one-piece walkable roof, seamless tinted windows, a full body paint job, one-piece panoramic windshield, outside entertainment with 40-inch LED TV, a power awning with speakers built right in, and large basement storage. Come with me and I'll show you the inside. And here we are on the inside. We'll start with the cab. You'll notice you have your hydraulic leveling system and all your controls for driving the coach. Here you have your lights, your horn, your generator. Then here we have our 10-inch touchscreen radio with Bluetooth, dual mirror technology, and rear view side view camera monitoring. Here we have the cockpit table that can be for the passenger or for the driver and passenger. Both of those seats swivel. We have a 2-seat sofa that can transform into a bed, cabinetry above, and another drop-down bunk. You can conveniently control the bed with the touch of a button. I just love the bunks over the cab. Gives you nice sleeping space for guests without taking up extra room. Here you can see the cabinets a little bit better, and you have this great extra bed. Next, we have our booth dinette. You can see it has storage drawers underneath, and located conveniently above is a 50-inch LED TV. This thing is huge. Now to show you into the kitchen. As you can see, we have solid surface countertops with a pull-up extension, a large one-basin stainless steel sink, pull-out sprayer faucet. We have our outlets that can become flat with the counter as well. Lots of storage space. Convection microwave. And a 3-burner cooktop with glass cover. Looks so nice. And behind me we have our stainless steel fridge with pantry and drawer storage below. And here we have our bunk beds. They're located conveniently across from the bathroom. And if you need them for more closet space, there's a bar built right in, and it can fold right up and lock into place as a closet. In the bathroom, we have a porcelain toilet with foot flush, large shower with skylight above, linen closets, mirrored medicine cabinet, and one basin stainless steel sink. As we enter the bedroom, you'll notice this cabinet with more shelves for extra storage. As we enter the bedroom, we have this great dresser, TV above. I call this a little reading nook, but I think it makes a great place to get ready. It has 3 closets. These are prepped for washer and dryer. They're not in it yet, but if that was something you were needing, it could easily be added. I showed you the large king-size bed. It's accessible from both sides. And if you lift up the comforter slightly, you have extra dresser drawers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the 2020 Coachmen Sportscoach 366 BH. If you have any more questions about this unit, visit us online at www.dylansrv.com and be sure to check out our reviews. They speak for themselves. If you are interested in seeing this unit for yourself, visit us in person at 2190 Delsea Drive in Sewell, New Jersey, or give us a call at 856-228-0090. Let's get you camping today.